Storm Arlene in the Gulf of Mexico. It's not heading our way, but we will still be feeling its impact.
And today, more storms rocking South Florida, and it will be a rainy repeat tomorrow. A flood watch has been extended into the weekend.
And check out this scary scene. Strong storms sent this tree crashing down on top of a transport van in northwest Miami-Dade. Thankfully, nobody was hurt, but it took quite a while to get the tree off that van. Your Weather Authority has been busy all afternoon with these powerful storms.
Oh, yes, and they are also tracking Arlene. Hurricane specialist and storm surge expert Michael Ari is here. But we begin with our chief certified meteorologist, Betty Davis, with a live radar. Betty.
And the picture is looking a lot better over Broward, Dade, and also down through the Keys. Here it is. Good afternoon, everyone. We did have those soaking storms earlier. Now just a few leftover showers, most of which are not in our neighborhoods through Dade and Broward, though we will have to keep an eye on what develops out to the west. Maybe we get an evening shower that manages to cruise across parts of Broward. Weston, notice just west of US 27, a little shower action there. But the atmosphere at this point, I think, is so worked over that we are going to have to wait until tomorrow afternoon to get more of those drenching storms going. Flood watch does continue through Saturday evening. We may get an additional 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. We know the deal with our storms. They put out a lot of rainfall pretty quickly before they finally fade away. And oh, by the way, our future radar is showing that around 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, Fort Lauderdale and Miami will be caught up in some pretty good gusty downpours. Here is a look at the Gulf of Mexico and Tropical Storm Arlene. Yes, it's still out there. Forecast to weaken as we head later tonight and into tomorrow as it moves into an unfavorable environment. But as of 5 p.m. advisory, maximum sustained winds at 40 miles per hour moving south-southeast. Michael, I don't know about you, but I was hoping for a more laid-back start to the hurricane season, but this just goes to show that things can happen early.
They can, yeah. And if we're going to have a storm form early in the season, it's not necessarily bad to have one that's disorganized, weak, short-lived, and staying offshore. And that's what we have with Tropical Storm Arlene. Look at the visible satellite picture. This one hasn't moved a whole lot over the past 24 to 48 hours. Yesterday it formed as a tropical depression up here and just slowly drifting down to the south. We have very strong winds at the upper part of the atmosphere that are keeping this one in check. When we look at the water vapor picture, dry air in the gold colors surrounding the west side. Most of the weather to the east. We're on the wet side of this right now, but there is steering that is going to be moving this down to the south, which I'll show in just a minute. Hostile upper level winds, a big dip in the subtropical jet stream. That happens early in the season. These storms really fight the upper level winds during the early part of the season. High pressure steering off to the west, though. You can see this is the one that's closest to where Arlene is, and that clockwise flow is going to drive this to the south. Eventually it's going to get caught by this easternmost ridge and make kind of a turn, but it's going to be under those strong winds, so we don't expect any additional development here. Calvin and Nicole, back over to you.
Okay, Michael, thanks a lot. And now